Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can use Roblox backup codes. Now the first thing you want to do is go to your app store and you want to search for the Authenticator app. So search for Authenticator and you want to download this one right at the top, Google Authenticator. So then once you've done that, you want to open up Roblox and you want to tap on More at the bottom right hand corner. Scroll down until you get Settings and then tap on Settings, and then you want to tap on Security, the second option. Once you're on this page, you can see here two-step verification. Right now it's on none, but I want to go ahead and use the Authenticator app, which is very secure. So I'm going to tap on Authenticator Setup, and now what Roblox has done is they sent a 6-digit code to my email address. Okay, so what I need to do is check my email, and there's the verification code. I'm just going to, like that, copy the code, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Roblox and enter in that 6-digit code by pasting it in there and then tapping on verify. Now you can see here that it says enter the manual entry key above into your Authenticator app. So what you want to do is you want to copy this code, then you want to open up the Authenticator app. So just type Authenticator, and then you can see a plus button at the bottom right. Click on the plus button, and then you want to enter a setup key, the second option. Give the code a name. I'm going to call this Roblox, and then you want to enter in your key, just like that, and select time-based, and then add it in there. Okay, so now you can see right at the bottom it's generating codes for Roblox. I'll just wait for it to generate a new code, and then I'll copy that code. Then I'll go back onto Roblox, and then I'll enter in the code right here by clicking on paste. Okay, so it looks like it didn't paste it from the Authenticator app. 634174. So I'll just type that in there real quickly, and then you want to click on verify. And right now you can see the backup codes have been generated for me. So what I'm going to do is just take a screenshot of that, and then you want to click on I've saved my backup codes and then close. And you've now successfully set up the backup codes. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.